Welcome to this video where I'm going to give you exactly what you need to bring a load of traffic to your website. We're going to be using AI just like normal, but instead of AI writers, we're going to be using AI image generators. Now, this is my website, tinyhomehub.io. As you can see, this website is completely monetized. It has ads on it. You can see the ads pretty much everywhere. They are really spamming the crap out of this website. But this is monetized. This is bringing me in money. So every click I get paid for. So how can we increase clicks quickly? We're going to be using image SEO. Now at the top here, you can see tiny home aesthetic. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to copy this and I'm going to show you that this is bringing in impressions. Now you might say 5 clicks, 1,000 impressions in 2 months. That's absolutely terrible. But first of all, this is a fresh domain. And second of all, this is the page that is ranking. It's just literally this, so like maybe 30 words, and then one single picture, and that's it. So that's given me 1,000 impressions. So let's actually, if I just quickly do image as well, this should be even more. Yeah, 1.53 thousand impressions. So you can see this is bringing in a decent amount of impressions just for one image. If you times that by 50 and you use even more popular keywords, this is going to bring you a crap ton of traffic, okay? So what logic is this using? We're going to be using Ahrefs keyword generator for this video because I don't want to log in to anything and it's just a free way to check keywords. Just go on Google, type in Ahrefs keyword generator, or go to ahrefs.com/keyword generator. I'm going to write the word aesthetic right here and I'm going to hit enter and it's going to show me just how popular this concept is. So you can see aesthetic backgrounds, aesthetic pictures, purple aesthetic, wallpaper aesthetic, pink aesthetic. These have 41,000 searches a month, 42,000, 43,000. It's a super popular word to add onto the end of a search. Now, there are other words. You could probably ask ChatGPT to give you a list. Say to ChatGPT, aesthetic is a really popular word that people use at the end of a Google search. Can you give me other words that are similar that I could also use to bring traffic to my website? And ChatGPT will probably give you a decent list. Now, what are we actually doing in this video? First of all, you're going to need a Discord account. So just type Discord on Google and create and verify a Discord account. And then we're going to be using something called MidJourney. Now, MidJourney is an AI art generator that is very powerful. It's probably the most powerful one in the world. Once you get to this website here, you want to press sign in. This will take you to Discord. And yeah, you basically need an account. And once you have an account, it will take you to this page right here. So one of these pages will be welcome or announcements. I'm not actually sure which one it is because obviously I'm already signed in. I think it's this one here. You have to click one of these to verify yourself. And then once you're verified, you are inside. Scroll down to newcomers rooms where you'll see newbies and do /subscribe. You don't have to subscribe, I don't think. I think you can do some stuff for free. But generally speaking, you're going to want to subscribe, okay? Costs $20 a month, definitely worth it. Once you've subscribed, click on the bot right here where it says MidJourney bot and just send a message to it. This will open up the DM and it will let you do whatever you want with it. Now you can see where this kind of traffic is coming from, okay? This is a huge opportunity for me. So indie aesthetic, really good keyword. So all I'm going to do is do /imagine prompt. I didn't mean to press enter there. Prompt indie aesthetic, and then I just wrote the word tiny home after it. Okay, let's pretend that that's actually what I did. Now you can see here, there are a load of images, and you can just see that these will appear on Google. It's so easy. All you have to do is either pick one you like, or if you like all of them, you can just use all of them. And then basically what you want to do is you want to upscale whichever one you like. So let's see which one I actually like. Yeah, I like this one here. Really nice design for a tiny home. This is the kind of stuff that people actually want to see in this niche. Every person that clicks this page will give me money. That's what you have to remember, okay? This one's really nice too. This one's really nice too, but we're going to go with 2. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So top left is 1, top right is 2, bottom left is 3, bottom right is 4. So we want to do upscale 2 because I like the top right one. So we'll do U2. Ignore this. This is just indie aesthetic. Although, again, this is another really good way to make money online. You can just sell this kind of art on either your own website or whatever. You can have an entire page called Need Aesthetic, and you can just basically fill that page with these kinds of products. Okay, but that's a different video. So now this is done, what we want to do is right click, save image, and this is a very important part of this. You want to call it exactly the keyword. So tiny home indie aesthetic.png. Okay, so we're now going to save that. Now we have that image and we can literally do whatever we want with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my WordPress real quick. So let's just quickly do that. Okay, so now I've logged in. You can see that this bar has been added to the top. So what I'm going to do is press edit page. This is the wrong page, so I'm just going to click back. Click on Tiny Home Aesthetics right here and then press edit page. And then I'm going to scroll down under English cottage style aesthetic. And I'm just going to press plus here. And well, first of all, we need to do a title. So I'll just copy this. And then paste this, make this a title. So heading. And then under the heading, we're going to add the image. But first of all, we need to change this. So this is indie, tiny home style aesthetic. That's fine. Press plus, and we want to add an image. And we'll upload the image. This is very, very simple stuff. Most people already know this, but yeah, I just want to make sure that this is a complete video that gives you everything you need. This will now start to bring traffic to your website just like this. You can make it a little bit smaller so it's in line, align center like that. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's now the same size. Perfect. Another thing you want to do, make sure it's got the alternative text right here. So we're going to write indie home, indie tiny home aesthetic. Perfect. This, I guarantee you, and you can test this, okay? You can watch this. I will update you on this. If I press update on this now, this will now start to bring traffic for keywords that you wouldn't even imagine, okay? That's the point of this method right here. Now, with the other one, I did also make an English cottage style page. So let me just show you what that is. If I go on Tiny Home Hub, I don't know if this is necessary though. I don't know if I'm going to do this, to be honest with you. But if I click on English cottage right here, the problem with this is that it just wasn't bringing in traffic. So if I search this exact page, no, this is the wrong page, English cottage. Okay, let's just scroll down. So this has a separate page. So I'm just going to see if this has brought in any traffic whatsoever. One impression. And this one, just the normal page. Let's have a look. 78 impressions, and all of those are just people from my YouTube who are trying to find my website. So you can see this is why it's so important to test, because if you don't test and you do all of this first without testing, I would have wasted a lot of time creating pages that were not necessary. Okay, because it's not necessary to make that page. We can see I can save myself 5 minutes for every one of these, and you can spam these as much as you want, okay? You can make hundreds of these, put them all on this page, just make sure it has a title like this, and it will bring traffic to your website. That's going to be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please go and check out the video that I released yesterday about conversion rate optimization, because it's so important, and I really, really want as many people to see that video as possible. Thank you for watching as usual, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.